how to draw a 2-bedroom house plan. How to draw a 2-bedroom house. So now first of all I have to draw a skeleton. I call it skeleton. Then I'm going to use extensional line for it, and after that I insert the walls. So the extensional line is XL. Alright, now the rooms, the inner dimensions for each room, I'm going to do it 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 feet. So I'm going to make the bedroom to be at this side. The bedrooms should be on this side. Then the kitchen, the dining, and the living room to on the right side. So please, if you want to know the command that I'm typing, please you can look here. You can see that this side they've written the command here. So any command that I type, I'm not going to use this. No, I'll be using the shortcut. So any command that I will type, it will show here. So first of all, I have to offset. Now, before I proceed, I would like to say this to you. And see, I'm first of all, I'm using the grid lines, not the walls. Actually, I'm using the grid lines. After that, I will fix the walls. Fix the walls on the wall grid lines. So each inner dimensions, I said that the rooms, I'm going to use 12 feet. So because of the grid lines, I have to make, if I'm offsetting, I have to offset it 12 feet 6, not 12 feet, 12 feet 6. So offset 12 feet 6, then enter. And this side, like I said, the room should be 12 feet. It's 12 feet, this one 12 feet. Alright, so let me adjust this. I think I've done a mistake here. Let me delete this line. Alright, so offset 5 feet 6 for a bathhouse or a toilet and bath. Then offset 12 feet 6. So now we have a bedroom here. Then our washroom, another bedroom. Now, like I said, the bedroom are going to be on the right side, the left side, and the bedrooms at the living room and the dining, at the right side. So yeah, there's no need for me to create any, so I have to delete this line. So then let's have one trim, then I trim it from there. Here too I can trim, here too I can also trim. I have to undo it. Trim, then I trim this side and this side too. Alright. Okay, this line too must leave because the kitchen is opened. So here is it. And the inner dimension of the washroom should be 5 feet by 7. 5 feet by 7 feet. 5 feet by 7 feet. So the 5 feet by 7 feet, you have to offset this line inside. This line inside 5 feet 6. Offset 5 feet 6. Oh, sorry, you offset 7 feet 6. So we are already done with that. 5 feet. So this from here to here should be 7 feet if you face the walls, and from here to here should be 5 feet. Alright, so you trim this line, and then this line from there, and also this line. And then this creates a passage. Create a passage for these two bedrooms. Alright. Then again, you have to create a washroom for this bedroom. So offset 5 feet 6. We offset 5 feet 6 here. Right, then extend this line to join here. Have to extend this line to join here just to close it. There are two ways of extending the lines. It's either you highlight, then you put X, and that all better still, you can just highlight this line, then you pull it to the side. So where is it? So from here to here is 5, and the washroom, I have to put the washroom here. Come to put the washroom here. So the washroom is 7 feet, 5 feet by 7 feet, 5 feet by 7 feet, just as this one. So you offset 7 feet 6, 7 feet 6. Then you trim the lines. You trim the lines. So we are done with the bedroom 1, bedroom 2, or bedroom 1, bedroom 2, each way that you are going to name it. And then the washroom for this bedroom, washroom for this one, and the storeroom. This is for storeroom. This thing is for the storeroom, kitchen store. Because I created the storeroom here because it's an open kitchen. An open kitchen, you don't have to put where someone visits you and you have plantain, cassava on your task. No, it's too eyesore, so it just creates a room for all those things. All the foodstuffs must be here. Very easy. You enter, you pick them, then you go to the kitchen to prepare it. Very simple. Now the inner dimension for the kitchen, I'm making it 10 feet 6. 10 feet 6. After that, then you trim. Yes, let me check something. This can even fit on a half plot, depending on how you are going to use your settings on your profile. This can fit, yes. So here it should be 10 feet if it fits. Now we are done with the skeleton. That's called skeleton. What's next is you have to fix the walls. You have to fix the walls. For the walls, I highlighted and the wall. Yeah. So the wall comes. Here's the wall. This is how the wall should look like. Now let's check the inner dimension. The inner dimension is like the inner lines from here to here should be 12 feet. Let's see if they're correct. Yes, they're 12 feet. So after doing this, we have to fix the walls. Now we are not done actually. You have to create a porch this side, and the porch, let's offset, let's copy this one inside 12 feet. Then you copy 6 feet. I do this, I create a porch here. Now I have to give a visitor's washroom. The reason I have to give a visitor's washroom is on each of the washrooms, their doors or entrance is in the bedroom. And if you have to pass and go to the washroom, it should be in the bedroom. And maybe someone is having something privately inside this room, and maybe he or she doesn't want the visitor to see. So the visitor can't come inside the room. So I have to create a washroom over here. For the visitor. Then we use this side for the porch or the entrance porch. So we have set 5 feet. No, it should be too small, not something. to set 4 feet 6. Alright, so we are done with we have bedroom, washroom, storeroom, kitchen. Maybe a dining here, living room, porch, and a visitor's washroom. So we have to fix the doors. And the doors, I'm going by the double doors before. So then you choose hinge double, then make it 4 feet. That is, the 4 feet is the width of the door, the width of the space that you are going to use to pass through. That is, should be 4 feet, and the height is 7 feet. 7 feet. That is from the 6 inches mass concrete up to the lintel down. The lintel should be 7 feet. 7 feet. Then they move to the threshold. The threshold already set at 2 feet, and so that's the door. I face the door is here. The door is here. Then I move this aside. It's so cool. So cool, yes. So then that's a double door. Then we go to single door for 3 feet. Now the threshold is already set, so now the door swings to the right side. Swings on the right side. It makes your room too visible to everyone. So we have to set it. We have to swing it to the left. This one, it makes sense. This one too. So if you are swinging, you swing from year to year. If you are opening the doors, it has to swing from year to year. And this one too, from year to there. That's it. Alright, then we move to the washroom. After the washroom, I'm not going to give a door for the washrooms. I'm going to just create an open space for it. Maybe 30 inches. Space for it. Open space. I don't want to. But for the one outside, it must have a door. So choose hinge 2 feet 6. Now the washroom doors should be 2 feet 6. Choose double. Sorry. Double. 2 feet 6. Get another one for the storeroom to must have a door. Alright. So we've gotten the storeroom. A door for the storeroom, a door for the 2 bedrooms, and a door for the entrance to the inside of the house, a door for the visitors washroom. You have to create another door for the kitchen outside. Now the reason why we are creating the door this side is because it could be that, or it might be that one day your pipes that was laid, or your sink will be closed. Your sink closes. You don't have to, maybe you're having a dirty water, you want to throw a dirty water away or pour a dirty water away. You don't have to use, come and pass here, then you go out to know. You have to use the back. So you just create, then make everything convenient. Maybe you're having a visitor, you cannot pass in front of the visitor holding a dirty water. No. So you're going to create a door this side, a door on this side. So hinge. It. And the entrance to the washroom. So I do this offset. Now in construction, every line is a language. This is communicating something. It should tell the person who is going to build this house something. It is sending a message, and the message is that when it reaches, it means that there is a step down. There is a step down. You have to step like 6 inches down. This size too, you have to what? So it's saying that the level of all the from here to this side, they are all the same, and here to they are all the same. They are all the same. So once you reach here, you have to go down like 6 inches. That's it. Now we are done with the doors. Now with the doors. So what is happening here? This is the kitchen, dining, then the living room, and so we face. How to face the porch. You have to put a staircase take care, it shouldn't be something much, maybe 4. Maybe 4 feet. Pick railing there. Actually, if you reach here, the level or the 6 inches mass concrete from year to year are all the same level, but once it gets to the porch, it changes, and the porch you have to get a step down. The step down 6 inches here. So the steps, from the ground level, the HCF is actually 146 plus the 6 inches, making 2 inches. And already the porch, you have to get a step down, so the porch becomes 146. That is 1 foot for the hardcore filling, then plus the 6 inches, making 146. So the stairs, you have to get 2 rises, 6 inches. So the stairs should be 1 foot. Let's see if it's also 1 foot. 1 foot, then that's nothing. Okay, get to the same thing to here, because they have to get down. So this actually should be 2 feet. Once I'm done, I'm going to remove all the grid lines. From inside of those grid lines inside the walls. I have to remove them. Alright. Then we are now done with the porch, the window, the doors and everything. It's like with the windows. Now for the windows at where the porch is, 3 feet. Before that, let me measure 7 feet. I'm covering all of them. I'm going to cover all of them. So all these sides should be windows, and the windows sliding from the lintel to on the 6 inches mass concrete. So 7 feet. And also another one gets 4 feet by each side. So it covers each side. And then get another window here. For this one, it has to be 6 feet. 6 feet, and 4 feet on this side. I'm moving up maybe 1 foot to the side. Yes. Now I say here. A window must be here, then here, here, a window here, this side to a window there. So the bedroom windows is, I'm using, the width is 6 feet and the height is 4 feet. Another one to here. As you are working, you have to see. So we are done with the 2 bedrooms, the hall, 2 bedrooms and the wall. Now then, there should be no window here. Maybe we can mount our wall on this wall. So we can mount our TV on this wall. So we are going to use this wall for our television, our speakers and everything. And the window at the kitchen. Now the window at the kitchen, the height, I always make it 3 feet. Make it 3 feet. So the window at kitchen is not the same as the bedroom and the hall. It changes. Now then, facing too many windows weakens the wall too. There is no need for me to put a window here for the dining. No, doesn't make sense to me. After doing that, you have to give a window, high bay window for the washrooms. And the washrooms window is called high bay window or vent window. So, and it is 3 feet by 2 feet. That is, the width is 3 feet and the height is 2 feet. Now facing it here. This one to the other side. And now here is it. I have to remove the grid lines because I'm done with whatever I'm supposed to do. Note, you can choose not to remove your grid line, but for me I like removing them. So after that, you have to name it. Now this is the inner dimension. You have to name it. This is toilet and bath. So I'm done. This is how I create or draft a simple 2-bedroom plan using 208, AutoCAD 208. And this is welcome to BIGPAUL Building Plans Consult. The next video I'm going to show you how to measure and how to do the dimensions. And so stay tuned, I'll be right back. Bye.